Welcome to Car Vibes. Today we're diving deep into one of India's most popular compact SUVs, the Tata Nexon. This car has built a solid reputation for combining style, safety, and performance at a price that makes sense for the Indian market. Whether you're a first-time buyer or upgrading from a hatchback, the Tata Nexon offers an attractive mix of design, practicality, and features that make it hard to ignore. Starting with the exterior, the Tata Nexon brings a bold and modern look that instantly grabs attention on the road. Its front fascia is aggressive yet premium, with a large gloss black grille flanked by sharp LED headlamps and sleek LED DRLs. The new bumper design with a silver skid plate adds to its SUV stance. The floating roof design, sharp body lines, and stylish alloy wheels give it a sporty character, while the LED tail lamps with a Y-shaped signature at the rear complete the futuristic look. Whether you're looking at the petrol or electric variant, the road presence is strong and distinctive, and that's one of Nexon's biggest strengths. It's a car that looks much more premium than its price suggests. Moving inside, the interior of the Tata Nexon has undergone significant changes in recent years, making it more premium and tech-savvy. The dashboard design is neat and symmetrical, featuring soft-touch materials in key areas. The highlight is the new 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system that offers crisp graphics and supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay wirelessly. The digital instrument cluster complements the modern theme, offering multiple display modes and useful driving information. The steering wheel is now a two-spoke flat-bottom unit with a backlit Tata logo, adding a futuristic touch. Comfort-wise, the seats are well-bolstered and provide good support for both city commutes and long highway drives. The rear seats offer adequate legroom and headroom for adults, and the wide cabin ensures enough space for 3 passengers at the back. The boot capacity of 350 liters is practical for daily use and weekend trips. Tata has also added convenience features like a wireless charger, air purifier, auto climate control, ventilated front seats, and a premium sound system in higher variants, making the Nexon feel like a much more expensive SUV. Safety has always been a strong point for the Nexon. It was one of the first Indian cars to score a 5-star rating in the global NCAP crash tests, and Tata continues to build on that. It comes with 6 airbags as standard, along with ABS with EBD, ESP, traction control, hill hold assist, and ISOFIX mounts. Higher variants even get a 360-degree camera and front parking sensors. The build quality is solid and gives you a sense of confidence behind the wheel. Now let's talk about performance. The Tata Nexon is available in both petrol and diesel engine options. The 1.2-liter turbocharged petrol engine delivers around 120 horsepower and 170 newton-meters of torque, while the 1.5-liter diesel engine puts out 115 horsepower and 260 newton-meters of torque. Both engines are offered with a 6-speed manual and a 6-speed AMT gearbox. The petrol variant is more refined and city-friendly, while the diesel offers better torque and is ideal for highway cruising and long-distance driving. There's also a sport mode that sharpens the throttle response for a more spirited driving experience. Ride quality is another area where the Nexon shines. The suspension setup is well-tuned to absorb potholes and rough patches without breaking a sweat. It feels planted on the highway and stable around corners, giving you a confident and comfortable ride. The steering is light at low speeds and weighs up nicely as you go faster, making city driving and parking easier while offering enough feedback for highway runs. Now let's talk numbers. The Tata Nexon is priced between 8 Indian rupees lakh to 15 Indian rupees lakh, depending on the variant and powertrain. The petrol variants start from the base Smart trim and go up to the fully loaded Fearless Plus variant, which gets all the bells and whistles. Diesel variants cost slightly more, but are still competitively priced. With the feature list, safety credentials, and strong build quality on offer, the Nexon delivers great value for money. There's also the EV version if you're looking for an electric option, but that's a different story altogether. In conclusion, the Tata Nexon is one of the most complete packages in the compact SUV space. It looks great, feels premium inside, delivers solid performance, and comes loaded with features that appeal to modern car buyers. The ride quality is excellent, and Tata's focus on safety is commendable. Whether you're driving in the city or hitting the highway, the Nexon feels like a car you can trust. It's a car built for Indian roads, for Indian drivers, and it's easy to see why it's consistently among the top-selling SUVs in the country. If you're in the market for a stylish, feature-rich, and safe SUV that won't break the bank, the Tata Nexon should be right at the top of your list.